Hey, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty, and I want to take you on my tour of my new listing at 5023 Doman. Alright, as you walk in, you'll see you have an alarm system. You have a wonderful, huge open area, some plantation shutters, travertine tile, recessed lighting, and it just has a very welcoming, inviting atmosphere. So when you walk in, you have this room can be used however you want. Like, they've elected a dining area. I remember the last owners had this as like an entertainment area. It could be whatever you want, but you have this and another space in the back. Some people float a dining room table here. A lot of options. One thing that's fantastic is this open kitchen, and the current owners have updated everything. So we've got Bosch dishwasher, stove, microwave, and fridge, and this beautiful island, and another living space over there. So this makes this really nice for like indoor, an open floor plan. That's what I meant. And it does open here to the backyard. Look at this. I'll show you the rest of the house in a minute, but look at this. Got a beautiful pool with a hot tub. Very private. Look how mature all these trees are. Isn't that great? So you can be back here and enjoy yourself in the hot tub, have the waterfall flowing, eat outside. There's an outdoor bar area. Just a very special backyard for sure. Now let's take a look at the rest of the house. This gives you a sense of the flow as well. So we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So this is one of the bathrooms. It's actually a full bathroom. Right here you've got a tub, shower combo. This one right here is bedroom number 3, let's call it. Primary bedroom will be 1. Nice closet space. Opens to the front door. Very roomy. A very roomy room. All right. Continuing on, we'll head over to bedroom number 2. And they just use this as a gym right now, but it could be a home office, could be another bedroom. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up, down, behind you. Look at me, I'm waving. And it's really works well on an iPhone. Here is the primary bedroom. So to your right, we have the primary bathroom, dual sinks, really nice spa tub and shower combo. It's even got a little rain shower up top. And then here we have vaulted ceilings, or pitch ceiling, opens up to the backyard. So from your bedroom, you can really enjoy that. You could have this door open and get the sound of the waterfall if you like that sort of thing. Huge, huge room. So we have some closet here, but check this out. You got a nice walk-in closet here. And the light, there we go. All right. Let's see, I think that just about covers it. Yeah. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a wonderful open space. This particular one has no garage, just so you know. There's off-street parking, plenty of space right there, and there's a lot of storage on the side of the house. If you'd like to take a tour in person, let me know.